Hello YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. In this channel, we will be discussing various topics in the exciting world of AI, machine learning, and computer vision. Our content is crafted by our awesome human team, but here's the magic. It's finely tuned and optimized by our AI wizards, bringing you top-notch information. And guess what? The presentation is delivered to you by our AI hosts and voiced by our incredible AI avatars. Let's get started. In this video, we will use instance segmentation to segment fresh and spoiled parts of lemon. This will be useful in agriculture and food business. For more details about Roboflow and Ultralytics, please refer earlier videos. We thank them for the awesome technology and code samples. Let us now understand what instance segmentation is. Instance segmentation identifies each individual object in an image and delineates its boundaries. This means that each object of the same category is distinctly segmented with a unique identifier. In more advanced versions of YOLO, this involves not only locating objects within an image, but also segmenting each instance of the objects. This method is more detailed than semantic segmentation, as it provides not only the class label, but also distinguishes between different objects of the same class. Here are the steps for implementing the code. You can refer attached Jupyter Notebook for more details. The YOLO fine-tuning training works well on GPU, and this was done on Google Colab with T4 GPU. Step 1. Generate video with fresh and spoiled fruits. Step 2. Convert video frames to JPEG images. Step 3. Use Roboflow to upload and annotate the images. Draw polygons using Smart Polygon Tool and Freeform Polygon Tool. Label fresh and spoiled parts. Step 4. Download the annotated dataset. Perform YOLO fine-tuning training using this custom dataset. We will start with YOLO V8M Seg pre-trained model. Step 5. Run prediction on video to view spoiled area segmentation masks. Let us now see a demo of the lemon segmentation to find fresh and spoiled parts. As we can see from the inference results, we can see how the model finds the spoiled parts of the lemon. Okay? When we flip the lemon to the fresh side, it predicts as fresh and displays bounding box. Good. When we flip the lemon to the spoiled side, it predicts as spoiled and displays bounding box for the spoiled part. We also see the confidence level. Now let us now see a demo of the lemon segmentation masks to find fresh and spoiled parts. The masks are shown in different color. When we flip the lemon to the fresh side, it predicts as fresh and displays segmentation masks. When we flip the lemon to the spoiled side, it predicts as spoiled and displays segmentation masks in different color for the spoiled part. That is it, folks. We discussed how to perform segmentation to find fresh and spoiled parts of lemon. This will be useful in agriculture and food business. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures in the world of AI and machine learning and algorithms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more tech talks and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our future explorations. Until next time, happy coding and keep the curiosity alive. Thanks for watching.